What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey fucking Pipes. You missed that? I kept the last one rated PG, maybe even PG-13. But, guys, you know, it's Saturday night. It is, 10 minutes to 10. Walking the dog. I don't know what you're doing, licking the sidewalk. Walk! Look at them. They're like licking. Come on, let's go. Oh my God. Look at this. What is the thing? Is there something in the cement that I need to be made aware of? These dogs, they're like, come on, walk. I don't get it. Anyway, I think we broke fucking Google. We broke it. We literally broke it. I was at a barbecue yesterday afternoon, Erev Shabbat, you know, before the Sabbath. And I went up to a couple friends and I said, give me your phone. Go to Google, right? And I proceeded to tell them to, hey, give me a review. I've serviced all of your homes. You guys watch my videos like crack fiends. So they give me 3 of them, give me reviews. We even add a picture, right? And it doesn't show up on my Google business profile page. I'm like, well, all right. And we were at 91. And the next thing I know, I got a pop-up notification on my phone, and it says, you know, Google, you know, sometimes like blah, blah, blah. Here's that little picture right here. I'm like, huh? So I think we broke Google. I got so many emails today, Saturday, from all you guys. I got like 30 emails today. Mike, thank you so much. You know what? You know, your videos really helped me out. I fixed my air conditioning. I did this, I did that. And I made you a video. I made you a Google review. They even screenshot. A few guys even screenshot it to me. And like, out of all these 30, there's only like 2 that went through. So we're at 92 Google reviews. And if I use incognito mode, it says I have 70. And if I use like my wife's computer, it says I have like 104. I'm like, this is so effed. We fucking broke Google. Can you believe that? What would be amazing is that if like next week, all of a sudden, when someone types in like AC repair in like Orlando, that pipe doctor there is right there in the top. That'd be fucking awesome, by the way. That would be fucking awesome. Guys, let me tell you something. Struggle is real. The struggle is real. You know, it's not easy. It's not for everyone. You know, I literally am giving away service calls in Florida just to get the company name out there. Like literally, we did 2 service calls on Friday, and the way it works is that if your central air conditioning system, you need a repair or a service on it, we're going to go out there. We're going to repair it for free. If you need a compressor or motor, well, you're out of luck. So if the part costs me under $100, it's free for you, right? The labor is free. And once we're done with that, we are going to do a full maintenance and tune-up for free. So then we itemize everything on the invoice, right? And we list all the services that we performed. And then on the bottom, we give a discount for that total. And then we send you guys a 0 invoice. Put a sticker on the equipment, and we ask for a Google review with a picture or a video, right? Pretty easy. Pretty straightforward. Pretty legit. Like, dead ass serious. Like, we're not taking any money. We're not charging anything. We're providing a service for free. And I know it sounds like Mikey Pipes, no business model can sustain this. No shit, Sherlock. Right? No business can sustain where I'm just basically bleeding out cash every week, paying a salary to an employee, Christian, who is home, basically, and not at work, right? And yeah, he goes and hands out business cards, and he does this, and he does that. So I'm paying a salary. I have a couple of vehicles there that are financed, so I'm paying that note, and I'm paying the insurance on that, and I'm paying the business insurance. So at the end of the day, I'm literally spending about $8,000 a month floating a business that's not really generating any revenue because the phone's not ringing. And then when the phone does ring, they're looking for fucking Thomas Bowfinger. Like, oh yeah, I've been trying to reach him. He's not returning my calls, not returning my emails. Like, yo, he's not associated with this, with this company, But I get so many phone calls. Oh my God, even like Spectrum, like the internet provider, they're like, oh, we're gonna turn off his phone. I'm like, go ahead. But I am not giving up. I'm not giving up. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make it happen. And it's gonna be a success. It's not gonna happen overnight. It's gonna take some time, but it's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go into Florida with an HVAC license and partner with an existing established plumbing company and start offering HVAC services. Well, unfortunately, Mr. Bowfinger wasn't being forthcoming with the truthfulness of the business that he had, and let's just say that was no bueno. It is what it is. And I am not going to quit. I am not going to just give up. I have a lot of time and money invested in this. And there's only one way this is going to work, and that is success. And it's going to take some time. And I'm trying multiple different marketing approaches and advertising. I'm realizing that Facebook doesn't really work well. You got a weird bunch of people on Facebook. But maybe I'll try some bus benches. But eventually it's going to be word of mouth. And so for the month of September, we're giving away free service calls for central air conditioning in Central Florida. So if you're in the Orange County or Seminole County of Central Florida, even a little bit of Volusia, right? Give me a call, 407-375-1100, and I'd love to help you out. Christian will come out there. We'll take some video to document the work that we do, put it on our Facebook, YouTube, Mikey Pipes Orlando, and slow and steady we'll win this marathon. And I have no doubt that eventually it will be a success because you have these fucking contractors down there that do disgusting, despicable work, hackery at its finest, and they have hundreds of reviews, and some even have thousands of reviews, and they're horrible companies. Like literally, there's one company that starts with an A, right? Literally, I saw them with my own eyes take a 5-ton system and put a 10-inch return flex on it for return air. How the fuck do you expect this 5-ton, 60,000 BTU system to actually work when you're giving it with 10 inches of return air on a flex? It doesn't fucking work. And that's the kind of hackery that we see down in Florida. And I'm not talking about a bullshit little trailer that's grossly oversized. I'm talking about a multi-million-dollar home in like the Winter Garden area, right? You know what my wife tells me to do? My wife tells me I need to go to the West Coast. I need to go to the Gulf side, because that's where the real money is. besides Palm Beach, right? And where Mr. Johnny Sunshine Phillips is. Like Naples, you know? That's what my wife says, but I got some time invested in here. You know what? Slow and steady. If this works, which it will eventually, we then expand. You know? We expand to the Gulf Coast. Guys, Friday. Yesterday, we had an amazing week. Saturday night, you know, it's like September now, you know, it's in the 60s right now. It's fucking cold. I love Florida. It's warm there in the spring and then the winter, you know? And fucking New York sucks. Thanks for letting me rant, guys. Appreciate it. Love all you. No homo. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. And if you haven't done so already, give Pipe Doctor Home Services our location in Orlando. Please give us a review. An honest review. If you watched any of my videos, give me a review. Okay? And for my loyal subscribers and the community, you're going to notice I'm going to sound like a broken record because in every single video I post, I am going to ask for a Google review. Okay? Plain and simple. So get used to it. And if you haven't done so already, like you, Mr. Tang, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, I don't like to give my public opinion either bad or good. Give me a review. What are you waiting for? Or I'll stick Stoli on your ass. Stoli. You're the devil.